In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redesign a live Squarespace site. No downtime plus no code. Start by heading to the Squarespace homepage and opening your account dashboard. From there, select the website you want to work on. Then choose Edit Site to enter the visual editor. Once you're in, click Edit on the page you're updating, and then choose Edit section on the specific area you want to redesign. Working section by section keeps everything tidy and prevents half-finished changes from slipping through. Let's shape the layout first. Open row. Count to add or remove rows and define how much vertical space your content has. Next, use gap to control spacing between content, which is key for readability and balance. If you're designing a hero area, toggle fill screen to make the section occupy the full viewport. Fine-tune its presence with height until it feels proportional. Use alignment to position content left, center, or right, and adjust for the hierarchy you want. If there's a divider line you don't need, toggle divider off. If you want a subtle break between blocks, turn it on. When the structure feels right, apply your changes and return to the section settings. Now, set the mood with visuals. Open background to choose the backdrop. Select video for a dynamic look. Short, muted clips with clear contrast work best, or pick art for a polished static graphic or pattern. Then head to colors and choose a theme that ensures text is readable on top of your background. Prioritize contrast for accessibility. Your headings and buttons should stand out immediately. Update your messaging by clicking into text and editing headlines and body copy directly on the canvas. Keep it concise and action-oriented so visitors can scan quickly. Add supporting elements next. Click. Add block, then open the basic category to insert essentials like text, images, buttons, spacers, or lines. Drag blocks to reorder them and use on-canvas handles to resize columns. Small tweaks to spacing can dramatically improve the look and feel, so take a moment to refine alignment and breathing room. When everything looks consistent, click Save. Squarespace lets you make changes safely in the editor and push them live only when you save, so your site stays up and you never touch code. Consider saving in focused passes as you complete each section so visitors only see polished updates. That's the full flow for redesigning a live Squarespace site with no downtime and no code. Follow these steps, refine as you go, and enjoy a smooth, professional refresh.